have discussed about the air, right? So what is the definition we can bring out of it? So air is defined as a mixture of gases. Now which type of gases am I talking about? Anyone who can recall from our class? So we have learned or we have understood that in the air, basically, if we talk about composition of air, we have maximum portion of nitrogen, right? So nitrogen will be present around 78% in the atmosphere, right? So this 78% of the nitrogen is the reason why we are not having a lot of reactions, okay, and we are able to survive here very nicely. Okay, so this nitrogen is basically a reason because of its properties. It is actually a kind of inert gas because it's not that much reactive. Moving ahead, now if I talk about the second major gas or major component of air, that's going to be the oxygen, right? We are having 21% of oxygen in our atmosphere. Now you all know that oxygen is necessary for many different kind of events, right? So if you are respiring, if we all are able to survive, we need this oxygen for that, right? Not only us, but if we talk about the plants or the animals or any living organisms, we all need this oxygen, okay? And other than that, if I talk about the combustion process, the burning of a particular substance, for that also the oxygen behaves as a supporter of combustion, right? That means what? That means without the oxygen, we are not able to burn any substance. That is the essential, element for that or for burning any of the thing. Okay, so oxygen is required. We have learned that oxygen is required for respiration, and also we need this oxygen for the combustion process over here. Okay, moving ahead now, this 78% plus 21% makes the 99% of the atmosphere, right? So majorly we have nitrogen and oxygen. Other than that, the remaining 1% is made up of different other remaining gases we have, okay? From that, we have 0.04% carbon dioxide and we have some amount of water vapor also, and the other remaining gases over here. Okay, so that is how the composition of air will be understood. I hope now we all have understood that why we are saying that air is a mixture of gases, because variety of gases are present in the air. But always remember one more thing, that air is a homogeneous mixture, means each of the gas is having the specific quantity, right? I have told you nitrogen is 78%, means this is fixed. Then we have oxygen, that is 21%, that is also fixed over here. Okay, so these type of mixtures we can call them as an homogeneous mixtures.